Hi, good evening students and welcome to this YouTube live on Unacademy KCET. I'm Cleeta Dsouza, your mathematics educator. Students, I'm a postgraduate. I have MSc Mathematics qualification from Mangalore University and I've been teaching mathematics for quite a while now. And here on the YouTube sessions, I will be taking up a class on your logarithmic function today. So before I start the class, please do subscribe to our channel, that is Unacademy KCET, right? So down there you have the button, do subscribe and press the bell icon to be updated with all the classes that will be happening here and to receive all the notification. So students, down in the description you will also find the link to my profile on the Unacademy platform. I will be taking up classes under the Special and Plus series on Unacademy for your KCET preparation. So do not forget to follow me on Unacademy platform as well. So down in the description, check for the link to my profile and do follow me and stay updated with all my classes that will be happening on Unacademy. So as you see on the screen here, the Champions batch, right? The plus courses, the batch preparation courses have already begun, students, for your preparation for your KCET for the year 2021 and 2022. So Champions batch has begun this month right away. So you could see the different educators who will be taking up classes there, and I will be taking up your class for mathematics topics which are necessary to crack your KCET. Now, what are the advantages of taking plus subscription or taking up plus classes, right? So we are a team of 20 plus top educators in and around the country who will train you to excel or to get a good ranking in your KCET examination. And these will be live classes with live doubt clearing sessions. Apart from the live classes, live doubt clearing sessions, we will also conduct quizzes, full-length mock test, practice series which will be helpful for you as you prepare for your competitive examination. And with a single subscription, you will be able to attend the classes of all the educators on the platform and prepare well for your physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology topic based on the concept or based on the batch that you choose, students. So as I briefed you about the Champions batch, we have the another two batches which are running currently. The comprehensive batch for your KCET preparation, right? So the batch has already begun, and so as the Kannada language batch, wherein the classes will be taken up in your Kannada language, which will be helpful for students who will be appearing KCET examination in Kannada. So do use the link which is given in the description below, students, to get your plus subscription and join me soon in my plus classes. So here I am giving you a special code, that is CLEETALIVE. Using this you will get additional 10% off on all the plus subscription on the platform. Yes, so make the best use of this offer and get your plus subscription and join me soon in my plus classes. So students, so far I have covered 3 parts on your discussion of logarithmic function, right? So this is the 4th part here that I will be discussing. So let's continue with our study of logarithmic function through the MCQ questions, right? So here you have your first question for today's class. Let me give you a minute of time to attempt this question and try giving me the answer here. I'll give you all the solution after the time has ended, right? So students, go ahead to attempt this question. What do you all feel is the right answer here? So let me give you a hint, the property that you would be using, right? So we have been discussing your log of m to the base n into your log of n to the base m. This will be equal to 1, students, right? So rearranging this identity, you will have your log of m to the base n. This is equal to 1 divided by your log of n to the base m. So this is the property that you will be using here in this case, students. So this is the first property, right? So try simplifying using this. What do you think is the right answer? Please give me your answers in the chat there. What do you feel will be the right answer for your question here? Yes, I see students coming in. So do attempt the question. Do give me your answers. Students, what do you all feel is the right answer? Give your answers in the chat there. Right, so this is one of the properties. The next property that you would be using to simplify. Okay, let me give you the second hint. Log of m into n to the base a. This can be expressed as your log of m to the base a plus your log of n to the base a. Right? So these are the two properties that you will be using. Give a try. Choose the option that you feel is the right answer now. Okay, so let me simplify now using the first property, right, that I have given you. Log of m to the base n, this is equal to 1 divided by your log of n to the base m. So using this property, students, you can write the terms in your equation as the first term will be your log of 2 to the base n, okay, plus your log of 3 to the base n plus your log of 4 to the base n, and so on up to your log of 43 to the base n here in this case. Okay, using your first property, you will have the terms simplified and brought to this equation here. Now using the second property, right, in the reverse manner, this will be nothing but your log of 2 into 3 into 4 and so on multiplied up to 43 to the base n. Okay, product of natural numbers up to n. This is nothing but the factorial, right? So your given question here in this case, this will be nothing but your log of 43 factorial to the base n. Yes, is the solution clear? Are you all getting it, students? Did you all understand this? So the right answer here in this case will be your option number 3. That is log of 43 factorial to the base n. Yes, anybody has any doubts, any questions? Shall we proceed with the next question for now? Okay, so let me give you the next question here in this case. Right? Here you have your next question now. If a, b, c are positive real numbers, then a raised to the power log of b minus c into b raised to the power log of c minus a into c raised to the power log of a minus log of b, this will be equal to which of the following options? So give a try, students, here in this case. Yes, what do you all feel will be the right answer here? A raised to the power log of b minus log of c into b raised to the power log of c minus log of a into c raised to the power log of a minus log of b. Okay, let me give you a hint. Take your given equation as alpha. Okay, your alpha, this is equal to a raised to the power your log of b minus log of c into b raised to the power log of c minus log of a into c raised to the power log of a minus log of b. Yes, now take the log of this. Okay, take log of alpha. So log of alpha here in this case will be log of this entire equation. Am I correct, students? So using your property that you have been using, right, so this will be nothing but your log of b minus log of c into your log of a plus your log of c minus log of a into your log of b plus your log of a minus your log of b into your log of c here in this case. Okay, I am using two properties. Let me give you all the properties again. Log of m into n to the base a, this will be nothing but your log of m to the base a plus your log of n to the base a. Okay, this is the first property, and the next property is your log of m raised to the power k to the base a, this will be nothing but k times your log of m to the base a. Okay, so using these two properties you have your log of alpha simplified to this, students. Okay, now if you could see, you have log a into log b. Similarly, here you have your minus log a minus log b. So these two terms will cancel out. Here you have minus log c into log a. Here you have your log of a into log c. So those terms will also cancel out. Then you have the other terms, that is your log of c into log of b, and here you have your minus log b into log c. So all the terms here, okay, after you multiply and expand, they will cancel out, and your log of alpha value will be nothing but equal to 0. Okay, your log of alpha, this is equal to 0. So what will be the value for alpha, students, here in this case? It would be nothing but 1. Am I correct? Yes, no matter what base you take, right, when the base is raised to the power 0, the value will be equal to 1. So here in this case, your alpha value will be equal to 1. I am looking in your exponential form. Okay, is that clear? Is that fine? Everyone? So the right answer here in this case will be your option 2. Okay, so let us proceed. Let me give you all a next question. Here you have a next question now on the screen. X is raised to the power log of a to the base x into log of y to the base a into log of z to the base y. What will be the value of this equation, students, now? Give a try. What do you all think is the right answer? Please give me your answers in the chat box there. What do you all feel is the correct answer here for the given question? X is raised to the power log of a to the base x into log of y to the base a into log of z to the base y. So what will be the value for this equation? Okay, let me give you all the hints, right? Your log of b to the base a, if you have a log function like this, okay, when you are using the change of base, maybe you are changing the base from a to p, in that case this will be equal to log of b to the base p divided by your log of a to the base p here in this case. Am I correct? So if you rearrange this equation, students, you will have your log of a to the base p multiplied with log of b to the base a. This is equal to your log of b to the base p. Okay, notice, right, the common term. Yes. Okay, this is the first hint, and the second hint is when you have a raised to the power log of some b to the base a itself, this value will be equal to b. Okay, when a is raised to the power log of b to the base a itself, its value will be equal to b. So these are the two properties that we will be using at the moment. Okay, so your given question is x is raised to the power log of a to the base x into log of y to the base a into log of z to the base y. Okay, if you notice here these two terms, log of y to the base a into log of z to the base y. By using this property here, I can take the product of these two log functions. Here in this case, this will be nothing but x raised to the power log of a to the base x into, this will be your log of z to the base a, students. Okay, for these two terms I am using the property now, and this will be your log of z to the base a. Now again use this property again. X is raised to the power log of a to the base x into log of z to the base a. So using this property again, what will be this? This will be nothing but x raised to the power log of z to the base x. Okay, is that clear? So the next step is use this property. When a is raised to the power log of b to the base a, its value will be equal to b. So if you look at the term here, x is raised to the power log of z to the base x. So this will be here equal to your z. And the right option is your option number 3. Yes? Are you all getting it, students? Is the solution clear? Okay, here you have your next question now on your screen. Right, give a try to this. What do you all feel is the right answer? Somewhat similar to what you have to a problem that we have already done in this class itself, right? If a, b, c are positive real numbers, then the value of a, b raised to the power log of a divided by b into b, c raised to the power log of b divided by c into ca raised to the power log of c divided by a, this will be equal to which of the following options? Okay, give a try. What do you all feel is the right answer for this question here in this case? The first hint is take the given equation as alpha and take the log of this equation. Okay, consider your alpha, this is equal to ab raised to the power log of a by b multiplied with bc raised to the power log of b by c into your ca raised to the power log of c by a. Now take the log of this equation, students. Apply log for this equation. So you will have log of alpha, this will be equal to, okay, let me give you all the properties, right? So the first property that you would be applying, suppose if there is any power, right? Log of m raised to the power k to the base a, this will be k times your log of m to the base a. This is the first property. The next property is log of m into n to the base a. This can be written as your log of m to the base a plus your log of n to the base a. And the third property that you would be using, your log of m divided by n to the base a, this will be your log of m to the base a minus your log of n to the base a. So these are the three properties that you would be using in solving this. Okay, the first property you would be using now, log of this can be expressed as your log of a divided by b into your log of a into b plus log of b divided by c into log of b into c plus your log of c divided by a into your log of c into a. Okay, using the first property, the terms on the right hand side of your equation will be simplified to this equation, students. Right? Now, when you look at the terms here, right, you have log of a divided by b. So using this property, it will be nothing but log of a minus your log of b, right, and your log of a into b. This will be your log of a plus your log of b. So basically the terms will be in the form, okay, if I have to give you the algebraic identity, it would be nothing but a minus b into a plus b. And what is this equal to? A square minus b square. So if you could expand this using both the formulas, this would be nothing but your log square of a minus your log square of b. Okay, similarly the same identity if you follow, this will be your log square of b minus your log square of c plus these two terms will be of the form log square of c minus your log square of a. So all the terms here will cancel out and this value will be equal to 0. So your log of alpha value, this is equal to 0. So what does this imply, students? What is the value for alpha? When log of alpha is equal to 0, your alpha value here in this case is equal to 1. Okay, the right answer for this question is your option number 3, that is alpha is equal to 1. Yes, am I clear? Anybody has any doubt, any question? Yes, students, anyone? Okay, so let us proceed with the next question. Then let me give you the next question. So here's your next question on the screen. If log of y to the base 3 is equal to x and log of z to the base 2 is equal to x, then what is the value for 72 raised to the power x? Okay, which of the following options will be equal to 72 raised to the power x, students? So give a try, choose any of the option that you think is the right answer here. Yes, please do leave your answers in the chat box. I would like to know your responses. What do you all think is the right answer here? Okay, let me give you the hint, right? The basic definition of log in terms of exponential, the relation between your log and exponential function, right? If your log of b to the base a, this is equal to some value m, then what do you have? A raised to the power m, this is equal to b, right? So your log of y to the base 3 is equal to x. So you have the equation 3 raised to the power x, this is equal to y, students. Okay, from your given log value here, you can rewrite it in your exponential form, that is 3 raised to the power x, this is equal to y, and from the next equation you can write it as 2 raised to the power x, this is equal to z. Am I correct? Now what is the relation between 72 and the number 2 and 3, right? 72 is nothing but, if I have to express 72 in the powers of 2 and 3, I know 72 is 8 9s are, right? So this will be nothing but your 3 square and 2 cube. Your 72 will be equal to 3 square and 2 cube. So 72 raised to the power x. So you can take this as 3 square into 2 cube raised to the power x, students, which can be written as your 3 square raised to the power x into your 2 cube raised to the power x, right? Which will be nothing but your 3 raised to the power x the whole square into your 2x, 2 raised to the power x the whole cube of this. Now 3 raised to the power x, what is the value? Y. So this will be y square into 2 raised to the power x, this is equal to z. So this will be z cube. So your given question will have the value, that is y square into z cube. So your option number 2 is the right answer for the question here. So here's your next question now, students. 5 raised to the power x is equal to 0.5 raised to the power y, and both the values are equal to 1000, then what will be the value for 1 by x minus 1 by y? So use the interrelation between a log and exponential function, right, and try simplifying this. What do you think is the right answer? As I gave you all a raised to the power x, if this is equal to m, then your log of m to the base a, this will be equal to x. So this is the first thing that you will be using, the relation, right? The next property will be your log of m to the base n this is equal to 1 divided by your log of n to the base m. Yes, try simplifying, students. So first thing is 5 raised to the power x. This is equal to 1000. Am I correct? So this is true if and only if you have your log of 1000 to the base 5, this is equal to x. Am I correct? And the next one is your 0.5 raised to the power y. This is equal to 1000, and this is true if and only if your log of 1000 to the base 5, this is equal to y. Now the value for 1 by x, right? What will be the value for 1 by x? 1 by x will be nothing but 1 divided by log of 1000 to the base 5. Using this property, 1 divided by log of 1000 to the base 5, here in this case, this is 0.5, sorry students for the small mistake there, okay. This is your log of 1000 to the base 0.5 here, okay. Okay, let me proceed now. 1 divided by x, that is nothing but 1 divided by log of 1000 to the base 5, right? You could write this as your log of 5 to the base, here in this case, 1000. Am I correct? And 1 by y, okay, 1 by y will be your log of 0.5 to the base 1000 here in this case. Now using your next property, that is your log of a by b, you can have this as your log of a minus your log of b. Am I correct? So using this property, you will have this as log of 5 divided by 0.5 to the base 1000. Okay, you will have this as 5 divided by your 0.5 to the base 1000. So this will be nothing but your log of 10 to the base 1000, students, here in this case. Am I correct? This is nothing but your log of 10 to the base 1000. So what do you think is the right value here in this case? So this is nothing but your 1 by 3. Am I correct? Cube root of your 1000, this will be equal to 10. So your log of 10 to the base 1000, this is equal to 1 by 3 here in this case, and your option 3 is the right answer. Yes students, if you have liked this class, if this class was helpful, please do not forget to like this video and to join me in the upcoming live classes that I will be taking up here on Unacademy KCET channel. So before you could go, do like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel there, and do press the bell icon and stay updated with all the classes that will be happening here. So if you're liking my classes, do not forget to check for the link to my profile on Unacademy platform given in the description below, and do follow me on the Unacademy platform and join me in my special classes as well as the plus classes. The champions batch for your plus preparation for your KCET, the Kannada batch, the comprehensive batch have already begun, students, for the preparation of the year 2021 and 2022. So if you haven't got your plus subscription yet, please do get it right away and use the code that I am giving you, that is CLEETALIVE. Using this code, you will get 10% off on all the subscriptions for your plus classes. So your plus classes will be live interactive sessions with live doubt clearing sessions to be followed, and as well as to make you all thorough with the examination pattern, we will be conducting several mock tests and test series. Right? With a single subscription, you will be able to attend classes of all the educators, top educators on the platform. So make the best use of this opportunity and get yourself enrolled for the plus classes on Unacademy. To get yourself enrolled, check for the link in the description given below for your KCET. Yes, thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this class. I will see you soon with one more live class soon. So till then, take care and let's crack KCET 2021 and 2022 with Unacademy, India's largest learning platform.